Hey everyone, welcome to Creative X. My name is Brad Hussey, and in this video, we're going to be doing a quick design review for one of our members in the Creative X crew. And if you want feedback on your websites, your designs, your work, join the Creative X crew. It's free. The link is in the description below. All right, let's do this. All right, friends, so we got a message from Bianca in our Creative X crew, and she asks, I was wondering if I can get some feedback on what I can do to improve for my business website. Does the message seem clear with what I do? And she put a link here showing us the website design and XD file. So let's pull that up and see what we've got. All right, so first impressions here. I love the feel, like we're using kind of like a gray tone rather than stark white. And like the logo, the name, the branding, hurrah, like that's cool. Normally web designers, freelance web designers are using like their name. They'll say something like Brad Hussey Design or something like that. And that's fine, but I don't know, it's just missing a little bit of something extra. We got work, services, about. I appreciate the order of that navigation as well. Work is first, services, and then about, rather than having about be first. A lot of the times we'll see websites have about be first, and I don't know if it's that necessary. And some nice icons for Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest, and they're just the simple icons. Works with the site, cool. All right, let's look at the header messaging here in the hero section. Making your brands as delightful as the spaces you create. Hurrah is a creative business for home goods businesses, home decor, content creators, and interior designers. Let's get started. I mean, I gotta say, like, this is a home run knockout right from the get-go. The messaging hits straight to the point. It's creative and artistic in nature, but it's so clear. This unique value proposition, it's very obviously a brand agency, a branding agency, a brand consultancy for home goods businesses, home decor, content creators, interior designers, rather than I'm a web designer or a brand strategist for people. Like, this is awesome. This is good. So the messaging there is 100%. I love it. I like the feel here. There's almost this retro feel. I don't know what gives me, like, why I feel this is retro. Maybe it's the shape. I don't know. It's something about how you've placed your elements, how you've organized this. It's spot on. And I like the treatment of the button as well. Very nice. All right, let's go down to the next part of the page. I like the lines here. Everything's clean. Even you mentioned stock imagery. Like, this is really well done. So, I mean, if you're going to add your own photos, make sure they match at least this quality that you have here in the mockup. So Hurrah is a web design and brand studio that creates online presences for interior design enthusiasts. My process begins with discovering who you are and what sets you apart from the crowd. I will build an authentic brand identity that engages your audience and progressive design solutions that tell the story of you and your business. Cool. So just a little more context to the studio and what they do. The overall objective is to raise the visibility of your brand, increase both client referrals and new client inquiries through a memorable, unique, and empathetic visual identity that's authentic to who you are as an individual or business. And good, cool choice, like imagery choice here. It complements what you're doing. Like, I feel like even your image choice was conscious. So this is very cool. Well written as well. This is neat. I like these shapes, stunning imagery as well, but I like the shapes that you've chosen here. Nice typography as well, name of project. So these are placeholders for the names of the projects. Cool. All right. A website that doesn't convert is a problem you can't solve on your own. And convert is a link. I'm assuming that goes to maybe a call to action of some sort, like a contact page or something like that. Creating a solid online presence is not easy. You have the wants and needs. Now, how do you translate that into a professional and engaging brand, website, or e-commerce store? How do you get people to care about what you're making? What if? Okay, so I feel like there's a little bit of clunkiness here in the wording. Like, you had me at the top, it was spot on. You gave me some more context, that works. From here, and then I feel like I started to drop off right here. Like there's nothing here that is specific to your target audience. It's just, you're talking about professional engaging brand, website, or e-commerce store. Like that could be applied to any niche, any business. And I think that's where you're losing me here. Tie it into your niche, your brand. Even this kind of final heading, this is like your final call to action to get them to take a next step with you. I do like the idea of like, what if you had this, you had this, you had this? You didn't have to struggle with this. You could have this, and this is your opportunity to show, like paint a picture for what your client's business could be because of your help. That's a good idea. I just think we need a little work here. Okay, services that give you peace of mind. Branding and web design experience. As a business owner, you deserve deep insights on the impact of your current branding, the right solutions to help you grow, and a partner who delivers on time. Okay, my elevated brand and website design starts with a strategy that moves people to action. Learn more. Okay, yeah, I mean, it helps give context to like the service. I think that works. VIP design day experience. Full day devoted to getting your business to where you need it to be. This is your design day where we work on your priorities and set a list of goals together. We'll accomplish as much as possible on your design day. Okay. Yep. I think it works. Get the free pricing guide. Before getting started, here's a breakdown of the exact project prices, design process, and answers to frequently asked questions. Send the goods. All right. So your lead magnet here, get the free pricing guide. Like that's not sticky. That's not like tasty for your niche. Like why would they want a free pricing guide? You mentioned down here in the description, before getting started, here's a breakdown of the exact project prices, design process, and answers to frequently asked questions. It's still not relevant to your target audience. So you got to ask what I always say to when I'm helping freelancers build out their websites, and is with your lead magnet, what's the 10% that can get them, like, how can you get them 10% of the way quickly? That's your lead magnet. That's enticing. And then that's a beautiful segue on-ramp into scheduling a quick call with you and booking your services. It's like, that's how that flow needs to work. About me. Okay, I like the shapes. I'm Bianca, web designer, brand strategist based in Chicago. Create captivating websites and purposeful branding for home goods businesses, home decor content creators, interior designers. I like that. You're very clear about who you serve. I love that. I'm on a mission to help you express your voice and have an engaging web presence through strong custom design. Okay, I will help you show off your style in a way that resonates and brings your vision to fruition. You understand the importance of styling a space and how it inspires, welcomes. Well, your website deserves that same treatment. That is a great line. Use that wording in like that style, that flavor, that essence in your lead magnet, and especially in this part here. Okay, I like that. I'd love to show you how I can transform your business. Now, your home decor business. Be unapologetically for your target audience. Don't give if your target audience scrolls to the bottom as quick as possible, make it so clear that you're for them. Don't give them any opportunity to question. And don't give any opportunity for people who are not your target audience to think that you're the right fit for them. You want to only focus on your target audience with your wording and your messaging. Okay, so let's see. Answer a few questions about your business, project goals, timeline. I'll start with a quick video call to discuss your project. Process starts now. Let's get started. Yeah, I think this works. I'm not sure what this is for though. Maybe it's like, let's talk. Let me show you how I can transform. Let me show you, or allow me to show you how I can transform your home decor business. Let's jump on a quick call. Here's how it works. 1, 2, 3, schedule a quick call. Or maybe this is your lead magnet. Maybe your lead magnet is your first step. Maybe that's right. Or maybe it's like the 3 things that your home decor business website needs today. I don't know, maybe not even that. Maybe you should just go straight for, let's talk. Like person to person, let's discuss how we can be the best fit. No strings attached. If we're not a fit, that's totally fine. Book your quick call. All right, and then at the bottom here, we got hurrah. Nice. Hurrah is a creative business for home goods businesses, home decor content creators, and interior designers. Like, this is super well done. I'm really impressed. And there's just a few tweaks that need to be made in terms of the messaging. The design is on point. Like I couldn't give you any real suggestions on design because it is spot on. Like your typography, font sizing is mainly came down to the messaging. And other than that, really super well done. Thanks for sharing. If you want your website or your designs, your work reviewed and you want some feedback, whether from myself or the Creative X crew, then go ahead, go down to the description below and join us in the Creative X crew. We host weekly office hours, we do live Q&A, we do challenges, we collaborate, and we help you be more successful in your professional design business. Until next time, see you in another video. Cheers.